Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In previous video we have worked with Python variables and the data types. In this video we will learn about how we can give name to the variable, that is the variable naming rules, and what are the keywords present in Python. Let's start the video right now. Now I will create a Python file here. For that I'll go to the file section and I'll give the file name as tutorial4.py and then press enter. Then you can see our Python file is created. So we will learn about the rules for giving variable name. Okay, so rules for variable name. Okay, the first rule is the variable name should be consist of digits or alphabets or underscore. Okay, so digits means it may be 0 to 9. Digit means it may be 0 to 9, or it can consist of alphabets, that is from A to Z. Okay, it can be small or it can be capital also, A to Z, or it can be underscore. Okay, so apart from this we can't give any character as a variable name. Suppose for example, if I take var is equals to 9, then it is a valid variable name. Okay, so var is a valid variable name because var is consist of alphabets. Okay, if I write var 2 is equals to 8, then also it is valid because it is consist of alphabet and digit. Okay, so if I write var and percentage, suppose 1, var percentage 2 is equals to 9, then you can see error is coming. We can't give variable name like this. Okay, so we can't use any other character to give variable name. It is a valid variable name, so I can write here it is valid, and it is also valid, and it is invalid. Okay, it is invalid. So let's make it comment. Yes, we'll see the second rule. So what is second rule? Second rule is that the variable name should be start with either alphabet or underscore. Okay, so it should not be start with any digit or any other character. Okay, so the rule 2 is the variable name, the name must be start with either alphabet, either alphabet or underscore. Okay, either alphabet or underscore. So for example, if I write 7 var is equals to 6, then you can see error is coming. Okay, so that means it is invalid. Okay, so the starting letter, the starting letter of variable name must not be a number. Okay, it must be a alphabet or underscore. Okay, so if I write underscore var is equals to 5, then you can see it is a valid variable name. Okay, so it is a valid variable name. The third rule is the variable name must not be a reserved keyword in Python. Okay, so the third rule is the variable name must not be a reserved keyword in Python. Okay, so the variable name must not be a reserved keyword. Okay, so what are the reserved keyword present in Python? Let's see what are the reserved keyword present in Python. Okay, so these are the Python reserved keyword. Okay, so false, non, true, and, as, assert, break, class. So these all these words are the reserved keyword. Okay, reserved keyword means predefined keywords which is present in Python. Okay, so we can't use this keyword as a variable. Okay, so for example, if I use suppose def is a reserve keyword, so if I use def is equals to suppose 7, then you can see error is coming. Okay, that means we can't use a keyword as a variable. And another thing is the variable name should not contain any white space. Okay, so if I write my space variable is equals to suppose 10, then it is invalid. Okay, it is invalid. So you can't give white space between any character in a variable name. Okay, so if I want to write my variable, then I can write my variable is equals to 10, then it is valid. Okay, then it is valid. Or else you can write my, the v is capital, variable, okay, is equals to suppose 17, so this is also valid. Okay, this is also valid. The another thing is the variable name is case sensitive, that is the capital letter and small letter treated as different variable. Okay, for example, if I write var is equals to suppose 12, then it is a variable. And if I write capital var v, capital var is equals to 13, then you can see these are both var, and small var and capital var, these are both different variable. Okay, so if I write capital var is equals to 7, then this is also different. Okay, if I write va and capital R is equals to 9, then this is also a different variable. Okay, so these four variables are treated as different variable. These are some rules you should follow while creating variables. Okay, so it is better if you give some understandable name to a variable. For example, if I want to store age of a person, okay, then instead of writing a is equals to age of that person, suppose 45, instead of writing a equals to 45, you should write age is equals to 45. Then it will increase the code readability. This is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.